I wonder where the bears are at. Do they have a house? Do they hide under logs, under bushes? I wonder where the bears are. Look at this place. It's huge. I don't think bears, they like getting wet. Ooh. Where's my car at? Where I'm going? You see, I'm disoriented. I kind of got lost. I don't know where I'm at. I don't know where's my car at. I know it's here somewhere. Ooh. Look at this shit right here. What the hell is this? See, some animals. I know there are a lot of black bears right here. Okay, I remember this place. That's where my car at. I'm coming to the right place. I remember this place I recorded before. Maybe not. Yes, maybe. Oh God. Maybe these places, they belong to somebody else, but nobody lives right here. Okay, where's my car at? Ooh, I saw the jackal there, right there. Okay, that means my car must be way in the back. Yeah, I kind of came too far. Oh. Oh yeah, my car is parked way on the top. I walk way farther. Oh. Look all this land. Somebody's messing up the cows or something. I know they got some cows around here roaming freely. What is this? Like, is there a bear? Some animal looking for some food? This is a gopher right here. These stupid gophers or ground squirrels, they destroy land. God, I wish I can see them. I kill all of them. Look at them. They destroy the land. Oh. There was another coyote, jackal. There was a jackal up there. I don't know what's that big mountain right there. Maybe it's a Mount Shasta. I don't know what is that.